else fails, I only do this in the wintertime. When the summer comes, I do not drink coffee. I don't drink coffee. Not at all. It's not in my diet. It's not in my budget. But in the winter, yes, I drink my coffee. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. That is boring. Who is singing that to their kid? Huh? Who is singing that to their kid? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Hey, Aaliyah. The blizzard of 2016. Hi, my SPLifers. Yes, it is snowing out here. And yes, I'm from Jersey. I'm a Jersey girl. And guess what? We're getting about 10 feet. Aaliyah's with Nana, and I am going to go check on Papa. Make sure my father is okay. My mom's okay. I'm going to go back there, but I need to check on my dad. It is blazing out here. Oh my God, what in the heck does my mother have on Aaliyah? Look at her. She has this little house on the prairie hat. She has that same sweater on from yesterday. And the exact same pants. You know what? This is exactly what happens when you leave your kids with Nana. But honestly, she looks like she's having a ball. Have fun with Nana. I'm going to shovel. This portion right here is for the guy I came across who said, I didn't know black girls shovel. Look at this. I cleared it. 22.5 inches of snow by myself. Yes, black women do shovel. Honey boo boo, chill. We're just sitting here. I have a day off from school. Aaliyah and I are bundled up. And she is all over the place. Up a day. Thanks, shout out to Nana who did her hair. Yeah. Trying to get up. No, don't press the red button. Oh, Aaliyah, don't press the red button. No, don't do it. Don't do it, Mama. No. Don't press it. She likes to press the red button. No. She likes to press the red button. It's kind of dark in here. As you can see. I want to stop saying that. We're chilling. Oh, look at Aaliyah. She looks like she's having so much fun. Poopy diaper. Okay, today I'm not as tired as I normally would be. Today I shoveled. Also, okay, maybe I am tired. 30 on, my eyes are red. I look like a mess at the end of the day. I shoveled my mom's driveway, went to my house, did that. Then I came home and, came to my temporary residence, which hasn't been temporary residence for a while, but where I'm at currently. Anyway, came back, had to shovel out a driveway, and had to go back to the field to go meet my electrician. Shout out to my electrician. He's doing a fabulous job. Oh, I'm tired. And Alia's upstairs, bathed, set to go, and I am done. I'm done. I'm gonna get in the shower. I have school tomorrow, and that's it. Like, comment, subscribe. SPLife.